Persistent knee pain can make daily movements become challenging. If medication no longer helps, it may be time to consider total knee replacement. Appointments with Sunway Medical Centre can be made conveniently through various channels. Via the SunMed Go app, a phone call or WhatsApp, email, the hospital website, the telecommand center, or the International Patient Center. A confirmation message will be sent the day before the appointment, ensuring patients are well informed and prepared. During the consultation, the orthopedic specialist performs a comprehensive assessment. This includes reviewing the patient's walking pattern, medical history, and current medication. Investigations such as blood tests, ECG, chest X-ray, and knee imaging may be ordered. Advanced robotic surgical planning tools may be used to ensure precision. Test results can be easily viewed through the SunMed Go app. After the consultation, patients receive guidance on next steps, including surgery preparation, along with their appointment and admission slips. Room options and pre-surgery procedures are carefully explained by the admissions staff. Day of pre-surgery, patients are welcomed and guided through the process from registration to settling into the ward. Nurses conduct pre-surgery checks, while the physiotherapy and surgical teams prepare the patient. Meals are served, and doctors perform ward rounds to explain the surgery and obtain consent. On the day of surgery, the anesthetist explains the procedure and obtains final consent. The surgeon brief again with the patient before surgery begins. After surgery, the patient is moved to recovery for monitoring. The patient is then transferred to the high dependency unit. Here, nurses closely monitor vital signs and ensure a stable recovery during the initial hours post-surgery. Patients are transferred to the ward, where doctors and physiotherapists conduct follow-ups. Guided rehabilitation begins early, including walking exercises with assistance. Doctor will access patient condition in the ward. Most patients are discharged within 3 to 5 days. Patients are encouraged to stay active at home with guided exercises and walking aids. These steps are crucial in regaining strength and mobility. 2 weeks after surgery, patients return for a follow-up. The consultant assesses recovery progress, explains the post-operative X-rays, and ensures all is on track. Patients continue structured rehabilitation at our facility, guided by professional physiotherapists to regain full knee function. With time and care, patients return to their daily activities walking confidently, enjoying travel, and spending quality time with loved ones. Sunway Medical Centre is committed to supporting every step of your total knee replacement journey. If you or someone you know is considering total knee replacement, speak to us today. Patients and their families have the option to stay at Sunway Sanctuary, conveniently connected to Sunway Medical Centre. This provides a seamless and supportive environment for families to stay close during the patient's hospitalization and for patients who prefer to remain near the hospital after discharge for continuous care and ongoing appointments.